I just purchased the NYX lip liner, and this is in red. And what I really love about it is it's mechanical. So all you do is twist it up, and this is what it looks like. Now, I love twist up lip liner as well as eyeliner too. I did not like sharpening it, so that's why I purchased this. And let's try it on. Okay, it's gliding on really smooth. Perfect. Now let's do the bottom lip. Okay, let's line a little more on this side. Okay, so far so good. Now let's put on some lipstick. Matches perfectly. Perfect. Really love it so far, so good. Love it. I love how it gently glided on my lips and makes a nice line so I can color in with my favorite lipstick. Definitely recommend it. Thank you for watching and hope you found this video helpful.